What'd you think?
How's our redneck slide? You ready, Ryan?
Redneck.
You want to go slide? Daddy better get in there and catch you. I know, it's summertime.
Yeah, but
Come on, Ryan. Come on, buddy. Come to Daddy.
Woo! You didn't hesitate. Goodness gracious.
What's at the end?
Yay!
yeah, watch out.
Oh, Sean didn't need catching.
Whee! Oh, I'm taking a dive. All right, Rye. Do it again, buddy.
Oh,
Hose.
Bob, you'll see where the
Come on. Gotcha. Come on. See, now he's thinking about
Uh-huh.
it. I forgot to think.
Go ahead, Ryan. 1, 2, 3, go.
Come to Daddy. Let's go. Put it back. Now slide. Slide just like we did before.
Whee!
Good job. Wave to mom. Say fun.
Fun. All right, one more. There goes Super Swimmer.
All right, Sean. Sean, go sit on the